This is the elevator at an undisclosed location. It is a platform lift, actually. This one, unlike the other ones, usually they're rather questionable, but this one is pretty nice. So we're going to start by going down now.
You know what to do?
Yes.
What do you have to do?
Put this so down is down.
Right, push it down.
Whoops, sorry.
Or this, actually.
Sure. No, that's the one that works. That one. That's the one I always use that. To go down. You want to go down. You want to go up. Push it down. All the way down. There you go.
It's noisy. See all the workings right there.
Now, do you want me to videotape you going up?
No, I'm fine. I'm trying to get a cap.
There you go. See, and I just bring money right
Before I
here.
go back up,
And that's it.
this is your
What do you
cab
mean,
view.
Nico?
Do you like it?
Like it.
Yeah.
That's your base elevator, actually.
To me, as long as it works, that's all I care about.
These are the controls right here. Right.
Oh, I'm good.
And we're going to film a trip going back up. Right now, we're going to be going back up the elevator, and you're going to be seeing an exterior view. Here we go. And that's it.